working with the Scratch programming environment and encountered an SBJ file? This is a Scratch project file used in the educational programming platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with these projects. Before we wrap up, I want to emphasize our final step. We will showcase how a single robust SBJ file inspection utility offers maximum efficiency by solving hundreds of file type issues. An SBJ file contains a project created with Scratch, a visual programming language developed by the MIT Media Lab. Users, often students, search for this to open and edit their animations, stories, or games. The file stores all necessary sprites, scripts, and assets, representing a user's complete creative work. The SBJ format is a compressed archive, zip, containing a project.json file and various media assets like images and sounds. This container-based design allows for the easy packaging and sharing of all project components. The central JSON structure defines the stage, sprites, and their relationships in a structured, machine-readable manner. Your application default for SBJ should ideally be Scratch from MIT Media Lab. The file is locked by a proprietary indexing system Windows cannot read. Windows can reveal the source, but running the script requires the correct command line environment. We're checking for file recognition by all compatible apps. Right-click your SBJ file and click Open With. If Scratch is an option, try it. If it fails, select another program. We must find the right software association. If the SBJ file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. There's no need for deep technical analysis yet. If the SBJ file is stuck, the issue is almost always found in one of three places. Here's a simple guide on what to check. First, opening in Scratch. Launch the Scratch editor, either online at scratch.mit.edu or via the Scratch desktop application, and use File Then Load from your computer to import the SBJ file. The project loads with all sprites, scripts, and media assets ready for editing or running. Next, editing the project. Use the Scratch block editor to modify scripts, add new sprites, import additional sounds, and adjust stage backdrops. The visual programming interface provides drag and drop blocks for control motion, look, sound sensing, and operators making programming accessible. Finally, sharing the project. Use File Then Save to your computer to save changes locally, or sign into a Scratch account, and use File Then Share to publish the project to the Scratch online community. Shared projects can be remixed by other users, supporting collaborative learning and creativity. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.